I'm Morgan Sparks.
And I'm Jake Flora.
And we are totally brothers.
Yeah, not really, but yeah.
Well, we both do happen to be students at FCHS, or Fleming County High School. And there's only one thing better than being at Fleming County High School, and that is naming your video. In fact, we named it the Particularly Perfect Panther Productions Picture Podcast.
We have shirts.
We don't have shirts.
Sadly. Okay, so we have four segments. We have Challenge Accepted, I'm Weak, Spill the Tea, and What Do You Mean?
Now these 4 segments, funny, hilarious, so fantastic.
Some might even say immaculate.
And you'll understand why we love the word immaculate after you watch Challenge Accepted.
Oh yes, quality content.
Quality. Speaking of Challenge Accepted, we're going to do a super hot fire challenge where we're going to put super spicy hot sauce on Dino Nuggies. Who doesn't love Dino Nuggies? Am I right?
Oh yeah, Dino Nuggies are the best. All right, so let's get right into the challenge.
Alright, what's poppin'? It's your boy, Lil Matt. Alright, today we're gonna be doing the hot sauce challenge. My name's Morgan over here. He knows exactly what we're doing first. What do we got?
Okay, for starters, we got Frank's Red Hot. Everybody knows it, everybody loves it. Not too spicy, not spicy enough. So let's do this. Apples. In 3, 2, 1.
Very chilly.
Very pleasant. Immaculate.
Alright, I just want to say this really quick. We are proudly sponsored by Dino Nuggies. Okay, I've got a few after myself. Let's get into it.
Okay. Melinda, spicy sauce. 3, 2, 1.
I guess that is fairly decent.
That's got the back of my throat.
I'm good to go to the next round. You guys good?
Yeah, good. Jake, what do we have here? This is next sauce.
Alright, this is the Reaper sauce. I believe the company's name is Pucker Butt. But, you know, it's big spicy boy. It says the world's hottest pepperoni. Even on the bottle, there's a warning label. It says don't try this.
Disclaimer, don't you try this at home. I will find you.
I will help Matt find you. Google Maps, we have.
We have Google Maps. I know you're putting it to the
Okay, let's go. Let's do this.
Alright, I'm going to get the light.
No. No.
I'm sure.
That's actually pretty good. No, that's like awful. We just gotta hit the oh my god,
If I just don't breathe, it's fine.
I'll be done in a minute.
that flavor's so bad. That flavor's so bad, dude. Please, never let me order that bottle of hot sauce. Oh, there she is, boys. That's all she got.
I'm gonna die.
Video is dying. What are you doing?
Please do not try this at home. This hot sauce is not that great. The flavor will get to you before this.
Okay, we're suffering, but we're gonna move to the last stage. What is it, Ben?
It does not discriminate, and it does not show mercy. Those that hang with Black Mamba 6 are left with one thing: regret.
This is Get Big. 6 million Scoville units. This is 3 times hotter than the world's hottest pepper.
I'm going to point out that is the hottest pepper.
So I don't ever advise you to do this for the first time. But beyond our better judgment, we're gonna do it for a second time. Let's go through that stubborn. We're gonna do it. In 3, 2, 1.
Oh, fuck my god.
No. Wow.
Get Big. Oh my god.
Are you drunk?
No, I'm getting out of there.
We're all in this together. I'm in pain and still in my mouth.
Oh, God.
I'm going to need water. Full there.
Oh,
Oh, it worse.
the second time was worse than the first. I restate. Do not ever.
A second time. Or first. No,
Or no.
Yeah.
Same look at it.
Stick to Frank's. That was pretty fun.
First and yellow, guys. First and yellow.
You want a drink?
Please don't try this crap.
Yeah, I know you can fetch your water, but here's some reds.
Oh, man.
So you gonna go for the blizzard, Jake?
I'm trying not to, man.
I'm okay. I don't need it.
My whole forehead is burning. I wish I could take it.
Don't you wish you would have listened
Dang, my
to your
stubborn. I wish I was still there, yes. I'm seeing sounds.
And I'm here to collect it.
Is it helping? I'm supposed to like it.
I'll make a business proposition, Jake.
What is that?
Go for the blizzard now. We're doing a 3rd round.
Oh, no. I think it's fun.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I'm here colors.
Okay, for legal reasons, I'm going to
Let's
fetch your
not
water.
do that. Yeah.
And that is victory for the Morgan.
Okay, now that challenge, I think Jake and I can both say, was insanely funny to watch, but insanely painful.
Yeah, I wouldn't try that at home.
We do not advise human consumption. But we're going to guess that it's good in chili. We haven't had it yet. We're going to have it,
Yeah,
but
I'm making a whole pot of chili, and he's
the Black Mamba hurt.
Just a little bit.
So now we're going to move on to a great segment filled with a flawless recreation of a famous Step Brothers moment. And we're also going to have game reviews.
Yeah.
Welcome to Spill the Tea.
Can we have bunk beds,
What?
please?
We can have so much room for activity.
I don't care.
Look at this bed, man. It's so amazing.
It looks like the one you would buy from a store.
I know. I mean, look at this. We have so much room for activities now.
We can play Army Men.
I know. Oh, look at this, man. It's amazing.
Hey, do you like guacamole? Day.
I don't care.
Welcome to Spill the Tea. And right now, games. We'll be discussing 3 upcoming games. Right now, we're going to introduce ourselves.
I'm Jag.
Yo, I'm Zoe.
I'm Kane.
JD. The first game is Mario Golf by Nintendo. Tee off with family and friends in this content-packed Mario Golf game. Hit the green with up to 4 players, locally or online, and golf with familiar Mushroom Kingdom characters. From what I can tell, it's your standard golf game, but it's Mario for some reason. What do you guys think?
Lag.
Is it going to be like Sonic Golf?
Wait, is there a Sonic Golf?
I think there is, actually. Or is it Sonic Tennis? Oh, I think it's Sega Tennis.
It's just gonna be like one
Either
of
way,
those,
it's not that great.
It's gonna be like one of those Mario and Sonic Olympic Games kind of thing, or is it just strictly Mario?
It is simply Mario Golf.
Like,
Do you do the motion? Like, with the
with the Wii.
Probably.
That'd be pretty
Well,
sweet.
it is on the Switch, so there's a chance.
There's a very big chance.
So, opinions are mixed.
Best game of the year.
Very excited. Gonna play it. Maybe. I don't know.
I won't.
Very good. Our second game is Resident Evil 8. Picking up where RE7 left off, Resident Evil Village is the 8th major installment in the flagship Resident Evil series. The game sees the reunited Ethan and Mia living happily together and putting their shared nightmares of the Baker's plantation behind them. Well, until things go wrong. What are your guys' opinions on?
Does Ethan have his hand back?
From what I understand, he does.
Well, they did have it sewed on, so
Oh.
Yeah.
There's a lot of stigma around the main villain, Lady I don't know her name. It starts with we'll put it in text. We'll call her Lady Dimitri. There's a lot of stigma around her. Jeg recently discovered who she is. So, what are you guys' opinions on her?
She is not a scary woman.
I agree with you on that. She is not scary at all.
I'm gonna say it. She might be on par with. Johnny's right.
You heard it here first, folks. Lady Dimitri, the main antagonist of Resident Evil 8, is on par with Jimmy's mom. Well, that was our last game. So, for now,
Sayonara. Goodbye.
sayonara, signing off.
Okay, so personally, I really want to play the Resident Evil 8 game.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
I got to play the Resident Evil 7 in VR.
Yeah, Resident
that
Evil
was
7 was
fun.
pretty
Gave me a headache, though. That wasn't as fun. And the other game, Mario Golf, I mean...
It's Mario.
Yeah, it's got to be good. Best game of the year. We all love Mario Kart. We're going to love Mario Golf.
Yeah.
So, now we're going to move on to a segment where I couldn't stop laughing. These videos, fantastic and hilarious.
I'm Marcus Weaver,
And I'm Zoe Wilson.
and this is I'm Weak. No way.
What's wrong with you?
the whole way. This was On Week, and thanks for watching.
Now, we all know that laugh was amazing. It might even be the best part of the entire video.
Definitely. Definitely.
So, now we're going to move on to a true piece of art, and I mean an absolute masterpiece, where some of our friends, some of our close friends, do a painting of some of our favorite TV shows. Now, we're not going to spoil the TV shows, but I think
just have to figure it out.
I think we all know where they come from.
Oh, definitely.
Go. Okay. Starting off strong, aligned. We're doing good. What's everyone hoping to accomplish today?
Homer Simpson.
Okay.
Already thinking now how hard it is.
Yeah.
Looks really hard.
Wait, that's actually looking good. What the heck? Can I see your picture on your phone? Wow.
I'm doing this from memory.
That is identical.
Oh yeah, the deformed foot and everything. This is from memory.
You have 2 minutes left.
I'm enough to meet one person. I have to do their full body. It's the worst one. Sure. Oh my god, look at the triangle. I'll be telling you. Oh, this mine's looking terrible.
You look so focused.
Oh my god, I need a new plate. Look how big his shoulders is compared to his body.
That's his body?
This is his body.
What's happening?
That's supposed to be his shoulders. It's working out.
Honestly, yeah.
It's just a giant man. I don't know.
I see a circle with hair. That's hair, right? Oh.
You got a minute left.
Oh, is that Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles? Yeah. Heck yeah.
My guy's transforming into SpongeBob.
What? You can't just change characters that way.
Yes, I can.
I mean, I guess.
Yeah, this is gonna work for
Oh, this really looks professional. Look at this guy. Wow.
30 seconds. Oh, no way. Don't ask questions. It's working.
You see, I don't think so, but yeah.
Oh my god, look how big his arms are. This is
I
doodle.
like the smile.
5, this is
4, 3, 2, 1, drop them.
Okay, can everybody hold up their plates next to their face, please?
Hold on. I restarted it.
Wow. Amazing. Beautiful. Wow. So great. What the heck is that? I don't even know what to say to you, so we're gonna move on.
Who won this? It's Doodlebot.
Who won?
Obviously Doodlebot.
Yeah,
right?
my vote. You obviously.
Okay.
Hey, can we do blue?
I guess we're not doing one anymore.
Oh god. Here he goes. No. Matthew, stop. What? No!
All right, so that will be all of our segments today. Leave a comment saying which one was your favorite. Hopefully it's challenge accepted.
I personally believe it was challenge accepted.
Yeah, because we died. It's okay.
And we were part of it. I mean, what's better than being anchors and in part of the video?
Yeah, and I was also in the game review. It was nice.
I bet that was fun. I wasn't invited. I got sad.
Yeah, you had to edit, I think. I don't know.
Yes, I was busy editing.
Yeah.
But to recap, challenge accepted, it was very painful. I mean, 6 million Scoville units is nothing to scoff at.
Especially twice. It was not good.
Yeah, for some reason we decided to do it twice. I kid you not, I'm still feeling it. It's been 3 weeks.
We're dumb. Okay.
Spill the tea. That was great. I'm definitely getting at least Resident Evil 8. Probably Mario Golf, because I mean,
they convinced me into it.
Best game of the year. I mean, they talked me into it. And that Step Brothers scene, amazing.
And we can't forget about Jimmy's mom.
Jimmy's mom. I mean,
she's
nothing compares. Just like Stacy's mom.
Definitely.
Of course, I'm weak. We were all chuckling at those videos. They're classic
Especially
vibes.
that amazing laugh.
And the disappearing dog, I mean.
Yes.
And what do you meme? I mean, Homer Simpson and the Ninja Turtle. They were
Michael Scott. Who could forget?
Scott.
You couldn't really tell, but...
You couldn't tell, but he was there. You don't know it, but I know it.
In there. Yeah.
Ultimately, that's all we've got for you today. And personally, I'd like to end you with a...